Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade stocks on Etoro. Etoro is a popular online trading platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks, commodities, and currencies. To get started, you need to create an account on the Etoro website or mobile app. Fill out the registration form with your personal details and verify your account through email or phone. Once your account is verified, you need to deposit funds into your Etoro account. You can do this using a credit card, PayPal, or bank transfer. The minimum deposit amount varies depending on your location, so be sure to check the Etoro website for more information. After depositing funds, you can start searching for stocks to trade. Etoro offers a wide range of stocks from various exchanges around the world. You can search for stocks by name or ticker symbol, or browse through the various categories and sectors. When you find a stock you are interested in, click on it to view its profile page. The profile page provides detailed information about the stock, including its current price, chart, and news feed. You can also view the stock's performance over time, as well as its dividend yield and other key metrics. To trade a stock, click on the Trade button and enter the amount you want to invest. You can choose to buy or sell the stock, and set a stop loss or take profit order to limit your potential losses or lock in your gains. One of the unique features of Etoro is its social trading platform. This allows you to follow and copy the trades of other experienced investors. You can browse through the profiles of top traders, view their performance, and copy their trades with just a few clicks. When trading stocks on Etoro, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the risks involved. Stocks can be volatile, and their prices can fluctuate rapidly. It is crucial to set a budget, stick to it, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. You should also keep an eye on your trades and adjust your strategy as needed. In conclusion, trading stocks on Etoro is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge and caution. By following these steps and best practices, you can start trading stocks on Etoro and potentially earn significant returns on your investments. Always remember to do your research, set clear goals, and never stop learning. With Etoro, you can trade stocks from the comfort of your own home and take the first step towards building a successful investment portfolio.